Hi, good morning, Rajesh. Welcome to Varanda Talks. How to scale up your business is a question which normally bothers many of the startups or entrepreneurs or the businessmen. To start a small company and run it is relatively easy, but the moment you need to scale it up or grow it up, then you have a lot of challenges. So, Subrato Bakshi, in his book called The Elephant Catchers, try to answer this question. And he gives a beautiful analogy using how catching an elephant as an analogy to prove his points or share his ideas. We all know that earlier we were all hunters. We used to survive by hunting. Hunting was the source of food for us till we had the agricultural revolution. And after the agricultural revolution, we started hunting mainly for fun or to show your power or prestige or to have a pleasure. But according to Subrato Bakshi, there are still certain villages in India wherein they go for hunting just as a fun. So many of the villages will come together, they fix a date, and on that particular day, all the male members of those villages will gather together. They will be carrying a lot of weapons with them, whatever small weapons they have. Some of them will be carrying knives, some spears, some bows and arrows, and some of them will be carrying torches, fire torches, and also a lot of utensils they will be carrying. And these utensils are carried, and even the torches are carried to scare the animals. What they do is that they go inside the forest, deep inside the forest. They reach a place, and from there they split it into different groups, 3-4 groups, to surround the animal. So they make a big circle, and they start disturbing and distracting and scaring the animals. So the animals will run and reach the spot where the hunters are ready with their weapons, and they are killed. Of course, these animals hunted are very small animals like rabbits or deer, and they are happy with it. Whatever they get, they take it back to village, they share it among themselves, eat it and enjoy it. But catching an elephant is totally different. And if you notice, we normally don't say that we catch an elephant. We don't hunt an elephant, we catch an elephant. So first of all, for catching an elephant, we need to have a set of experts who will go and watch thoroughly the movement of the elephants. Elephants normally move in a herd, and they have certain pattern. They will go and study this pattern very minutely. Once that is done, you need another set of people who can come and dig a big elephantine pit so that the elephant will fall into it, and that pit will be camouflaged, and then you have to wait for the elephant to come and fall into it. By any chance, if an elephant is falling, it is not that the other elephants will leave him immediately. They try their level best to save him, and only after they become convinced that he cannot be saved, they will leave him to his fate and then move away. So you need to be patient and wait till they move away. And once those elephants move away, then you need to bring in a domesticated, trained elephants from your village to pull this elephant out of the pit, which is also another important step. And once it is done, you take it back to the village, and from there the domesticating, the training of the elephant happens. So if you look at it, it is not just a spontaneous thing which happens. It is very well planned. You need to have a strategy, you need to have experts, you need to have experience, you need to have a lot of team working for that. You need a beautiful coordination between all these teams, and you also need a lot of training to domesticate this elephant. And interestingly, elephants are not killed for food. They are used for a future purpose. The elephants will fetch you revenue in the long run. And before that, you need to train them. And it is not that every time you go for catching an elephant, you will get it. You may even fail 4 out of 5 times. So you need to have that patience also. So elephants definitely will fetch you money in the long run, but before that you need to invest in them to actually get these returns. So what he is trying to tell, Subrata Bakshi is trying to tell, is your startup or your business is also like that. If you need to scale up, there is a process through which you have to go. You need to have strategy, you need to have planning, you need to have coordination, you need to have expertise, you need to have experience, good team, training, and you need to have patience, and also you need to invest heavily before you start getting the returns. So are you ready for that, or are you just happy by doing a small hunting? That is what he is trying to tell in this book. I suggest that you read this book, and it is not necessary that you have to apply this only in business, only in your startup. You can apply this in your life as well. So this is a beautiful analogy which Subrata Bakshi has shared with us in his book. I hope he has given a lot of details in his book, and again I will suggest that you read this book. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed, please subscribe and share it with others. Till the time we meet again, please prepare yourself for catching elephants. Thank you once again.